Hi, I'm Rob Bohr and welcome to City Grillin'. In this episode, it's going to be a quick video on a pizza spaghetti sauce. You can use it for either pizza or spaghetti, or if you just want to dip some French bread or garlic bread into this sauce, it is really good. And it's a simple recipe. So first thing I'm going to do is put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in this pot. Real basic, right? And then I'm going to add some of the nice ingredients. There's some thyme, oregano, some garlic. You can use onion salt or onion powder. Just put that in there. It's about a half a teaspoon of each. And some honey, about 2 tablespoons of honey. Now I've heated this up a little bit to make it a bit more liquid so it pours right out, which is handy. And then some brown sugar. Just put about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in, and then some minced garlic. If you use fresh garlic, this will be real garlicky. I'm going to use some out of the can garlic, so it's not quite the same, but I don't want to be super garlic this time. So then I'm going to just use some tomato puree. Real simple stuff. You can use a whole can. It's about 29 ounces. Just pour that in, clean it out, get all the tomato out of it. Perfect, just like that. Mix this up just a little bit, get the ingredient mixed together. And then we're gonna bring this to a real low boil. I just want it to kind of bubble just a little bit. So I'm gonna watch this. It's gonna take, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes. And then once I get it to this nice little bubbly mix in here, I'm gonna reduce it to simmer. We'll come back then. The sauce starting to bubble, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to turn down the heat to a simmer. Let this start to thicken up just a little bit more. If you want it less thick, you like a sauce runny, that's fine. You could use it like that. But I'll let it simmer for maybe 10 minutes. And that'll thicken the sauce up just a bit more. If you want to add hamburger meat to it or sausage or anything else, you're more than welcome to do that. You can get the recipe at citygrillin.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.